The endocrine system is a series of glands distributed throughout the body which help control cellular function. The major endocrine glands are the pituitary, which is closely associated to and controlled by the hypothalamus, the thyroid gland, the parathyroid gland, and the adrenal glands. The pancreas is a gland that does double duty. It has a major endocrine function, but it also functions in the digestive system. The pineal gland and the thymus are endocrine glands. The thymus also does dual duty. It plays a role in the immune system. The ovaries and testes play dual duty. They work in the reproductive system as well as secrete hormones. The pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain, closely associated with the hypothalamus. The pineal gland is in the third ventricle. The thyroid gland is the largest gland in the adult, and it's located in the neck. Closely associated with it are the parathyroid glands. In the mediastinum is the thymus. The adrenal glands sit on top of the kidneys. The pancreas is just under the stomach, nestled in the duodenum. And the gonads, the ovaries and the testes, reside in the pelvic cavity. This is a cross-section of the thyroid gland. There are follicles that contain colloid. Colloid is the precursor to the metabolism hormones, T3 and T4. These follicular cells are involved in manufacturing that. In between the follicles are some other cells. These are called the parafollicular cells. The follicular cells, the ones around the colloid, are the ones that secrete the thyroid hormones T3 and T4. The parafollicular cells, or C cells, secrete the hormone calcitonin. This is a cross-section through the testes, and the testes are a series of coiled tubes known as the seminiferous tubules. These cells are involved in producing sperm, but these cells outside of the seminiferous tubules, the interstitial cells, or the cells of Leydig, are the ones that are involved in producing testosterone. The ovary has follicular cells that secrete estrogen, and after ovulation, the follicle becomes a corpus luteum. The corpus luteum then secretes progesterone. So in this cross-section of the ovary, we see a developing egg. This is the follicle, and these follicular cells are the cells that are secreting estrogen. As the egg matures, it will be released from the follicle, and the cells that are left behind will become the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum is what secretes progesterone.